This is primarily, I would imagine, for Americans. However, being an Englishman myself, I found it interesting enough. Interesting? Did I say interesting? I think I did. Interesting enough to just spend a few minutes looking at the path of the eclipse, the Great American Eclipse from 2017 and April for 2024. Just wanted to find out where the paths cross. There's all this conjecture and prophecy and theories and stories and whatnot about April 8th. No, I don't know. I'm not saying I do. What I am saying is I've looked at the crossing of the path and I've come to a very rough approximation of where the paths cross. And it is east of Kansas in the state of Missouri, south east of St. Louis in a town, I presume it's a town, called Carbondale. Now in Carbondale is a lake called Cedar Lake, and as close as I can approximate, I think it crosses on the north point. Kind of there's a little island that looks like a fingertip. Kind of looks a bit like that at the very north tip. It's around that area, the encompassing point, and that looks like the crosshairs. I'm going to pray for that point, and I would ask you to do the same. Pray for as much love to go to that area as possible, because praying for good has never done anything wrong. So you can only do good. I don't know what's going to happen, and praying will help anything bad, and praying will certainly help anything good. It says here the partial begins at 12:42. Totality begins at 1:59. This is PM. Maximum at 2:01. So that's the point. If you're going to pray, maybe pray around that sort of time as the maximum. If you can only do it for a minute, maybe then. Then totality ends 2 minutes later at 2:03. And then the partial ends at 3:18. And that's all I have to say. I'm going to, over the next 2 years, I'm going to do more videos, and in 2 years' time, when I come into my year of the goat, I expect to be hugely enjoying this process more. And if anybody wants anything to be discussed, let me know, and I'll see what interests me. Anyway, God bless.